Welcome back to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we've got another very special request show. We have a subscriber called Shantanu? I'm always getting these names wrong. But anyway, they wanted to know how to make an Absolut drink with some smoky flavor. So here we're gonna do the Absolut Smoked Pineapple. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I always forget myself, you see. The smoked pineapple smash is a smash drink. By smash, that means we're gonna smash loads of things up in a glass, and that's how we serve it. And we wanna take half a lemon per drink. Now you wanna dice this up into small dices. I usually do it by doing 4 wedges, and then spin it. So as you can see, the wedges are like that. And then I spin it on its side, and then cut the wedges again. And that will give you some nice dices. Throw that into a glass. Repeat with the second half of the lemon. All you want to do is dice up the lemon. Next up, we want a couple of chunks of fresh pineapple in there. 1 big wheel should be suffice for both drinks. And we want to chop that up. Discard of your food waste correctly. I'm gonna throw a bit of that into the glass. You see I'm chopping it up really roughly. It does not matter at all. Next we want to add some sage. A little bit of an unusual ingredient for some cocktails, but sage works really well with pineapple, works really well with smoky flavors. And we want to put a good 6 leaves or so, or to your tasting, right into the drink. Next, we want to add some simple syrup. We're going to add 20 mils of simple syrup per drink, and that's going to go straight into the glass. And next we get our muddler. If you don't have a muddler at home, try and use like a rolling pin or anything that looks like this, that you can smash things with. So what I'm going to do now is muddle everything inside here. Super simple, super easy to make, super easy to execute, and really easy to drink. Once we've gathered all this, we've smashed it up, turned everything into a pulp, it's time to add the star of the show, and we want to add 30 mils per drink. I missed a little bit there, guys, sorry, so I'm going to add another 20, 50 mils per drink. Next up, all we need to do, add some crushed ice, give it a little churn. And then this is where we're gonna add a couple of dashes of some peated whiskey. The peated whiskey is what's gonna give it that smoky flavor. Give that a little churn more. Add some more ice. And then we're gonna add some small little straws, some sage garnish, and we're also just gonna chop. Oi, making a mess now, guys. Just gonna chop a nice little pineapple wedge. Stick that on the side with a nice little sprig of sage right next to it. And there we have the Absolut Smoked Pineapple. Let's give this a taste now. Super nice and spicy. That smoky whiskey just sits right with the fresh pineapple, brings out the sage. Perfect smash, a great summer sipper. The Absolut Smoked Pineapple.